Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1955 Chevrolet 210 killer car, guys. This thing has had a complete frame-off restoration, and it is beautiful. Love the color combination. It's tuxedo black and classic white. It has all new Del Rey two-tone black and white interior in it, which I absolutely love. This is a complete Ride Tech front and rear suspension on it. It has the upgraded drivetrain with the modern 5.3 LS engine with a 4L60 automatic overdrive trans, vintage AC. I mean, this thing is stunning. Four-wheel disc brakes, all new glass. It's as nice on the bottom as it is on top. I mean, this car is gorgeous. Looks like it was just completed around 2020, and they said there's very few miles on the car, less than a couple thousand miles on it. They actually just put a new Dakota gauge cluster in it, which I love. So I don't know the exact miles on it since it was done, but man, this thing is gorgeous. It's hard to pick. I mean, it is a beautiful, beautiful car. Gorgeous paint. You can see how nice the chrome and stainless are. New bumpers. Whole car's been dynamated. I mean, it is slick. Again, all new glass. They've updated it with electric wipers. Love the color combo. Pretty car. And I've missed a little dust here on the back. I'm seeing that, just a little dust. I've actually been driving a little bit. A little mark there. This is just dust, guys. We missed it. Nice and flat down the sides. Got 18-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels. Pretty car. Sits good. Again, complete Ride Tech suspension on it. I think it's called a strong arm on the front. It's a 4-link, all bolt-in stuff in the rear. 4-corner adjustable coil-overs. Again, it's full-wheel disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. Ooh, that car's pretty. And gorgeous black paint. Again, it's all modern drivetrain. It's all aluminum headed LS. You can see it's got the custom cover on it. Vintage air. It's all serpentine pulley system, power steering. I love the script billet valve covers on it. Four-wheel disc brakes. 4L60 automatic overdrive trans. Aluminum radiator. Killer car. But look at the paint. It's just slick. And everywhere you look, you can tell these people put a lot of money in this car. It is just nice. Little mark in your door pad there. The door seams are nice and clean. Love the Del Rey interior. It's got Daytona carpet, new sill plates. This stuff is all new. Again, it's got Dynamat throughout the car. I've ordered a set of the black rubber mats for it. Love it. And again, this stuff isn't even broke in yet. I mean, it's just beautiful. Beautiful car. Tilt column for us fat guys. A couple little cracks on your steering wheel there. I love this gauge when Nathan turns a key. These are super cool. Vintage AC controllers. I don't think there's a radio in it. I don't think there was any radio in it. Unless there's one in the glove box. I didn't even check. Dual exhaust. Again, it's a 4-link rear suspension with adjustable coilovers. That's all bolt-in stuff by Ride Tech. Batteries mounted in here in the trunk. This is really cool. I mean, they show the car complete like when they found it. Right through it, you know. Pretty cool. There's all your Dynamat stuff. And then here is, this is all your, you know, so there's some receipts in there, but your manuals. BP Automotive, that's actually the controller that's in there for it. Nice car. Again, very nice underneath. Drives out exactly how you think it would with all that aftermarket stuff. Really tight. Goes down the road great. Little mark there. Love the interior. Just beautiful. Very plush. I mean, like I said, it's not even broke in. Oh, that's actually the Dakota clock too. It all lights up. Air blows ice cold. Just kick your air on, like I say, it'll freeze you out of there. It blows so cold. All up there. Updated power steering. Killer car. A lot of money spent on this car. Definitely couldn't build this car for what we're asking for it. And it's done. You don't have to wait 4 or 5 years. Gotta leave a story. The stories that we get, love this dash. Look how cool that is. Showing 16 miles. We know it's got a couple thousand miles on it, guys. Everything opens and closes nice. Hopefully you can see all that in the back working. Good sound. Is there a radio? I didn't see one. It looked like glove box. There went in there. Nope, nope. So no radio. They didn't put a radio in it. Doesn't hurt my feelings. I'm not a radio guy. Coming in this morning, I was driving my old truck and it's got a radio in it and hardly ever flip it on. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our website, our social media stuff, and also definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. It's a great way to keep track of us. Every time I post a video, you'll get a notification. Look how nice that car is. Golly. After seeing that, looks like my rag, or the other guy's rag's got hooked in there. I don't think there's something wrong with the floor.